Well, howdy there, y'all folks. Driving along in my Chevrolet pickup truck. V8 power. Out here in the country, y'all need a pickup truck. Use on the farm, for hunting, for catching them there women. Well, here I am driving an old petrol International truck. Old 5-speed with a 2-speed electric dip in it. And that's flat to the floor. We're doing nearly 30 miles an hour with a load on. He's working hard. Video of Bernie pretending he's actually doing some work.
That's right.
Little blue light. That's it, we're full up. Video of Uncle Troy driving a, what do they call it over here, a header.
Yeah,
no, they call combine harvester. Harvesting oats for your porridge. Not that I'm very good at it. I've nearly jammed it up once. A lot easier than driving a bloody cane harvester though. At least you can see where you're going. You haven't got shit in the way. In a cane harvester, you're going through the paddock, you've got no vision either side, no vision in front of you.